Hey guys, what's up? My name is Seth, and this is Navigating Minimalism. And today we are selling everything. I'm selling this, I'm selling this, I'm selling this, and I'm selling this. Okay, maybe I'm not selling the cat. The cat and the computer will stay. Okay, but for real, I am selling this. So if anybody wants to PayPal me $125, this G6 Fiutech gimbal is all yours. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's got everything. It's never been used. It comes with a nice carrying case and a ton of extras. Message me on Instagram at Navigating Minimalism if you want this, okay? So I want to apologize first of all to the dedicated followers that I have, and everybody else who occasionally comes to this channel to watch and see kind of what we're up to, because in the past month we've been busy and I haven't posted. Yeah, I posted our wedding and our honeymoon, but I haven't posted any travel, and there's a reason for that. You see, here's what's happening. On October 17th, both my wife and I are quitting our jobs. I don't know if you can see just the excitement behind the glasses, but I'm incredibly excited. So what we're going to be doing is she's quitting her job at the hospital where she works full time. I'm quitting my job as a police officer, and we are going to be traveling. We're going to be traveling the country for the next 2 to 3 years. So what happened was my wife took a job as a travel nurse. So every 13 weeks, we're going to be moving from state to state, maybe end some states. We're going to start in the south, spend our winter in warm weather, and then eventually we would love to move out west and get into some of those more fun states. We'd like to get into California, Washington, Colorado, Montana. We really want to travel, and I want to bring everybody along. I'm going to be working remotely from home, and it's not something that I can discuss right now, but come October 18th, I will give everyone a little update on what it is I'm doing. We're not going to be posting a lot between now and then because we have so much stuff to do. We have so many things to sell. We had to go from 2 cars to 1 car, and we had to work on finding a car that we could travel in. We're trying to get our cats acclimated to travel because they're obviously coming with us, and we're really downsizing. And this whole minimalism thing, when I first started it, I didn't really have an exact plan other than my closet. And right now, this is the perfect opportunity for this page to flourish because we are literally going to be minimalistic nomads. We're not going to have a permanent place to live. We're going to be traveling for the next 2 to 3 years, so we have to learn to live minimalistic. And we're going to be trying to live on a budget, so I'm going to be bringing everybody along with us on our travels. I don't know where we're going to end up first. Megan doesn't know where we're going to end up first. And a little later, I'd like to bring her in and kind of have her describe kind of her thoughts on travel nursing and what she's most excited about. So, in a very brief description, travel nurses are contracted out by different hospitals. They pretty much get a choice at whatever hospital they want as long as there's an opening there. They do 13-week contracts, and then they can renew for up to a year, 13 weeks at a time. So, again, I'm going to be working from home. I'm obviously bringing all of my camera gear because, we've got to film all the cool things we see. So, let me know in the comments down below where you would like to see us travel to and what you would like to see in each state. Because there's plenty of states that we've never been to, and there's plenty of things that we would love to see, and I would love to film them. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. This has been a very short video, and my apologies that we will not really be posting for probably the next month. if you follow me on Instagram, I'm definitely going to be keeping up with some updates there. But as far as YouTube goes, right now, we just don't have the time, and there's really nothing interesting enough for me to film for you, unless you want to watch me struggle in trying to sell things on Facebook Marketplace to someone who asks the exact same question literally 3,000 times and then decides not to buy the item. So that's been fun. But seriously, I have a Fiutech gimbal for sale. I've got a microscopic end, I've got a tripod, I've got a cell phone holder, I've got lots of extra cables. It's got a carrying case, and the thing works amazing. It's for the GoPro. Again, this is not for a phone. This is not for a full-size camera. This is for a GoPro. I love it. I just don't use it, ever. If I'm using my GoPro, I'm usually using it on my stabilizing handles, and it's usually only for underwater or something a little more high speed. So I never use it. But seriously, let me know on Instagram. I'm not going to hold it, but if somebody wants to buy it, send me your information, PayPal me the money, and I will have it sent to you ASAP.